Hello everyone, Nick here. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Today's video is going to answer some common questions about the Yellow Ribbon program. Some of these questions will be, what is a Yellow Ribbon school? Who qualifies for Yellow Ribbon? How does the Yellow Ribbon program work? Can you use the Yellow Ribbon program without the GI Bill? Does the Yellow Ribbon program pay BAH? How much does the Yellow Ribbon program pay? So, what is a Yellow Ribbon school? The Yellow Ribbon program is a provision of the post 9/11 GI Bill that allows veterans to attend a private school for little to no out-of-pocket money. Normally, private schools are more expensive than public schools, but schools that participate in the Yellow Ribbon program agree to waive a portion of their tuition. So, who qualifies for the Yellow Ribbon? Well, to receive the Yellow Ribbon benefits, you must meet the following criteria. Served an aggregate period of active duty or at least 36 months after September 10th, 2001, and received an honorable discharge. Or honorably discharged from an active duty for a service-connected disability. How does the Yellow Ribbon program work? Schools can enter into a voluntary agreement with the VA to waive a portion of or all their tuition costs that exceed the national maximum post 9/11 GI Bill reimbursement. The VA will match the amount of the waiver and also contribute that to your tuition. So, can you use the Yellow Ribbon program without the GI Bill? The Yellow Ribbon program is a feature of the post 9/11 GI Bill and not a program of itself that can be used alone. It has to be used in conjunction with the post 9/11 GI Bill. Does the Yellow Ribbon program pay BAH? The Yellow Ribbon program pays for all tuition and fees. You may qualify for a basic living allowance to cover the cost of your housing. You could also qualify for a books and fee allowance of up to $1,000 per year. How much does the Yellow Ribbon program pay? VA will pay a total of $10,000 to your school for your tuition and fees. You are responsible for the $6,000 charged to out-of-state students. If your school offers $3,000 in Yellow Ribbon contributions, the VA will pay your $3,000 to the school and your full amount will be paid. Alright everyone, I hope that answers a few questions for you. If you haven't yet, please hit the like button as it really helps my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!